Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And Liam is eating crabs. No, did you eat crab?
Yeah.
And he still wants to use his fork and knife. He doesn't want to use finger. I haven't eaten for a few days, so I ordered this seafood. Kasi medyo masama ang ating pakiramdam. Hindi ako marunong kumain ng crab, guys. We have some mussels. And I'm gonna use my finger to eat. Eat more.
I'm studying to be full.
Where?
I'm not
I
like
just don't like the seafood.
when I see food, and I eat
Eat more, the mussels too.
it. Which one?
This is kind of good.
I thought this was a clam.
It's not. It's the mussels.
So they will add strength to your body.
Yeah. It's not mussels that like mussel. You know? The name of that is mussel. MUSSELS.
What happened to it? No, I don't want to eat it.
Why? What happened to the mussel?
No.
Look. Baby, see? What? Why you don't like this one?
It doesn't look good.
It doesn't look good.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Then
overcooked. That's why.
eat shrimp.
Here, look. This one. This is how it should look like.
My children are not used to eat
Seafood.
seafoods. They don't like seafoods very much. Because they don't want to use finger when they eat.
Fingernails.
But in order for them to eat the seafood, you have to use your fingernails.
Fingernails.
More instance.
My turn. I ate 2 shrimp already.
I only ate one. You want this one?
No. Okay, crab? Carabao.
Carabo.
Crab.
Carabo.
Crab.
Carabo.
Carabalao. Yes.
How about you, Jacob?
I already have one.
You don't want crabo?
Carabalao.
Ang kapiron na siya.
Crab lunch. Last time I ate like green candy. The last time I tasted crab, I itched. Yeah.
You did?
Uh-huh.
You eat?
Mm-hmm.
Oo, mura. Dumdum ka itong nag-order ko ng crab.
When?
Tapos giloto na ako. Dito pa sa Pikas Malay.
Oh yeah, I remember that day. Can I have the water please? Yeah, please.
Pero ba't ako sa crab ulit ko siya nag-show?
Take it.
Don't eat more na with a problem. Why are you doing that?
I was shaking because there was lots of water. Yeah, it's actually starting to itch me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Don't eat more then.
Don't worry, we have that thing. If you itch. Not.
I want some meat. Look at it.
It's not the meat.
Wash your hands and when you are finished.
Okay.
Zach,
For my food.
okay. Are you finished?
Yeah.
And where did you go? Wash your hands. Then you're welcome. You can stay.
My hands.
Do you know why I want you to go, Liam?
No.
Because you need to bring water for your mommy. Thank you.
What? Water, mommy.
Please give me some water, please.
Okay. It's your water. Mommy, imagine you locked yourself in a room,
Okay.
but
And then.
and the
What?
There's no windows, doors, or doorway.
yeah, there's no windows,
Yeah.
and the thing that you press to lock the door is outside, and then the key is also outside, and then the rest are in the room and sleeping. What would you do?
I will stop imagining.
You will sleep in bed until everyone wakes up.
No, I will stop imagining. So then I can go.
Yeah, but then when you wake up, you will still see it.
No, because you said imagine. Okay?
Oh, mommy's smart. What happened to mommy? You said imagine. Mommy will
Mommy
stop
laughed because
imagining.
she answered it right. This was my baso.
So it was right? Was it right, Yam?
Yeah. No, this is
I didn't even have any idea, guys.
he was right. She
Okay.
was right. Yes, they said she was right.
I stopped playing kay you just had food in your stomach.
And your belly will become very big.
What are you looking at?
Just listen.
This is my seafood mukbang.
Subscribe to
Camera na,
Daddy's.
guys.
Subscribe.
Give her more bananas.
Bananas?
Wait, what was it again?
I'm not making live stream.
Banana. Oh. Give her that likes too. Because she's eating a lot of food in her plate right now.
Pala na, pwede mo ba ni? May crack tayo, tapos ang repeat pa ka kami abri ng ipon na ito
Oh,
na
it's my teeth.
Yeah, to.
Sa Australia, kadaghan na itong red crabs. Naman naman dito makaon. Personos, bro.
Diba ito pwede?
Fantastica.
Diba ito pwede gapsan?
Fantastic.
Murag makahilo man sa siguro to.
Yeah, I'm getting
Pero-
itchy. Wait, no, I'm not.
Ngayon sila ikuan anak. Ako na.
Ano siya?
Hindi ka sila gapsan ba? Tapos nagana na sila ka sa mga kalsada. Na sila yung mga tulay para ano nila. Song tabukan.
Dropping down some money.
Don't turn on anything there, Liam.
Very good.
Drop some money.
What is that song?
Watch something.
What is that song, guys, that you were singing?
It's drop some money.
Drop some money?
Yes. Dropping down some money. Drop some money. Boom, 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 boom,
Just the girl who sang that.
Oh.
It's the least in my album.
Oh, I thought it was. I saw it in TikTok.
Ay, no. I'll be copyrighted here now.
Mommy will get strike.
Mommy will get strike.
Food. Copyright the food.
The copyright not with me. Bara. Oh wait, we're just done. Liam, what is 1 plus 1? 11.
Ito ginagawa.
Hey.
Yeah.
Why did you do that? Why did you say that? It's wrong.
Because there's no equals. I told him. I always told him to do it right.
When you practice, when you are like that, don't answer wrong, because you'll get used to it.
Oh yeah. I learned it when mommy said, when I told mommy about it, when we were doing slash and doing it in my classmate. Drop some money. Drop some money. You want your briefs? Money.
Imagine ako tong Siargao. Count of seafoods.
Daming rice? Yeah.
Sa pamilya mo kayo.
Sana all.
Oh, okay. You are breaking this.
Did this at me.
Oh my god.
I'm a fast striker.
I thought it was a dog.
What? Yeah, the dog's barking.
Yeah, I didn't. Ooh. I was like, hmm? Did you remember, Liam, when you make the intro?
What?
Ang ganda yung poo.
Nakahamot siya.
Oh, hindi ko.
Blooper.
Yeah, and then there's no...
It wasn't a blooper because mommy uploaded it. She still uploaded it.
Kuya, let's see. Bushy brow split.
Muna ani ko yun.
Bushy brow split.
Do
not change the episodes, okay?
Over.
That's like, no compromise.
Nabukat na. Kalain, may bukat.
So, kaya yun yung naganahan kaya.
Butterfly.
Yung sinilig sila kung cellphone ng mata. Mo pag-iyaw na ko lang to. Hindi, hindi ko na yun ano yun. Naurag mo. Hindi man maubukad. Iya, kaya grabe yung pagkabukad.
Mommy, look. I'm gonna see. Poop. Wait. See, look at the camera. Look. The video will end. Pew. Pew. Pew.
Hindi, I'm full.
Huh?
Full.
I look so serious.
Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video now because I don't like my finger is dirty.
But
Bye guys.
But you watch mukbang.
Yeah, I was watching mukbang.
Yeah, and then you're using fingers too.
Then
Yeah.
No, mommy will do a mukbang soon.
Ooh,
She will try it.
I'm gonna fight with the
She will eat the crab hole.
crab hole? Do it. What's
Yeah.
crab hole?
Okay guys, goodbye. See you on my next video.
Bye.
Liam,
Subscribe.
turn off this.